Now we will learn to solve this type of equation, a to the power x equal to b. How to solve this shape of equation? When we will see this type of equation, at first we will put a log on both sides. Log 5 to the power x equal to log 2. And you know a formula for log is log a to the power x equal to x log a. So according to this formula, we can write x log 5 equal to log 2. That means x equal to log 2 divided by log 5. Now using calculator, you can find this value equals to 0.431. This is our answer. If you see any math in this shape, you will solve that in this procedure.